Hi friends, and thanks for coming by to watch our little channel. I'm Larry, painting guy, and this is BrushFalls Studio. And today we're going to continue working on blooms. So what I have today is 4 tiles that I'm going to be painting on, and I have 5 colors mixed up. We'll put them in the box like normal. So let's get to it.
Larry, you should talk about how much of a deal we found yesterday.
Oh, yes, we were at a local big box home improvement store called Menards. If you're from the Midwest, you know it. And they had tiles for 11 cents a piece. So we bought a whole box of them.
It was $11.
100 for $11. And what better way to practice blooms than on 11-cent tiles? And so this is what they look like. Here we got these pretty nice white ones.
Too close. These
nice white ones.
Yeah.
And I think eventually we'll make these into coasters, but that's another story for another day.
For our fairs or whatever. If anybody wants to buy them. Someday we'll have a website. Right now we can't do it because it's too expensive.
was a lot of fun. I've never done 4 paintings rapid fire like that. At least little coasters make it really easy to do it. That was great. And then just playing around with how I layered the colors around, how much it changed the composition of all the little tiles. And how it changed how the colors mixed, how they blended, all these. It just turned out really cool, and it was really a lot of fun. And it didn't take a lot of time either, which is really fun too.
Painting is fun.
Painting is fun.
I love it.
I used to say in our earlier videos that if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, and I still stand by that.
Here's the second one.
I like how all the blue lightened up, and then it made this really neat purple as it changes from red to blue to the corner.
Okay, here's the. Actually, this one was the first one.
That was the first one. This was number 4.
Oh, I did this in backwards. Should I start over? All right. Shit.
It's all right.
Okay, this is actually number 1.
So this was the first one. This one we used a lot of cell activator on it, but it really made some neat lacing, and the silver and the blue combined to make a really kind of a steel blue.
It's actually very shimmery. You can see that. And we have some colored cells. Keep going, Larry. I'm sorry.
Oh. I was going to say I really like the way the little pops of yellow come through. And even the little green it made there in the corner. So.
All right. And then.
I think this was number 2.
Okay. Number 2 is freaking amazing. Look at that.
This one's amazing.
I'm going to show you here. I can't believe this amazing coloring effects. Okay, this is not even my painting, but I'm so excited.
Go ahead and see it.
No. Go ahead.
So on this one, we made some neat cells, but it really created a lot of reds and oranges to make it kind of a hot, fiery composition. Again, you see all the neat lacing that's coming through. As always, thanks for coming by to watch and I wasn't silly today, so let me know if you like that better. And also, let me know what you think about all of these coasters. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe and share it if you really, really, really like it. So have a great day, folks.